blackberries, cocoa nibs, and gooseberry, and little changes to the crew module. Just a touch of additions to the ops and a subtle hint of changes in the sales.
For those of you who want to precisely track fuel prices, we've added a possibility to define the referenced fuel price. Once this is done, you can see a deviation from referenced price on every flight. Our country database has just been enriched with new features. You can now enter the risk score with every country and use this score to configure your checklist items accordingly. If you want to automatically notify your crew about CTOT changes in their flights, you can now configure our crew app to do just that with a single click. Do you know that feeling? When you have added so many reports in Report Wizard that you find it hard to find the one that you are looking for? That's where our new report tag feature may come in handy. Just add labels and filter reports by it.
And that's it.